Hi my eaters, Judy Ann here from justtoday.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rice pudding. Alright, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? Check it out. All this time, when rice was sticking in the bottom of the pot, we've been letting it sit in hot water and throw away whatever's been sticking in the bottom. But now we made rice pudding. It's called recycling, guys. Never throw away any rice. Let's go ahead and fluff them rice and then add 1 cup of milk. Then half a cup of sugar, which is 118 milliliters. And then we have cinnamon. I put 1 tablespoon or so, give or take. Give that a stir and, medium-low. Cover it up. Make sure you simmer on low, and then have a final stir. And my Okinawa grandma would be very proud of me right now that I'm not throwing away any rice. Save them cows. Put it in a nice dish because you special. And so definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you get notified whenever we upload another video. And hey, definitely hit the like button and the share button because you might have some family and friends that are interested in this recipe. Hey, did you know that we give out shout outs for the people that actually comment down below? Yeah! And that being said, here's the shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Cheese, what do you like the Japanese? Comment down below. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my eaters.
See you in the next video.
I'll see you in the next video.
You've gotten to this point of the video. I really appreciate you watching the entire video. Check out my YouTube channel for other recipes.